Question 4. How can you change the Spring Boot port number? For this question, we can give two methods to change the port number, even though there are more than two ways to do it. First, use property file. In the project generated by Spring Initializer, by default, it runs on port 8080. Under the resources folder, we see the file application.properties. That's the property file. Initially, it is empty. We can add a line server.port equal to 8081 instead of 8080. Now, if we run the application, again, we can see from the we can see from the console. Okay, from the console we can see now the embedded Tomcat started on port 8081. That means it's changed. We can verify by running the go to the browser and run localhost 8081 instead of 8080. So we can go to the so it displays a hello world. So that proves it works by changing the property file. Second method, to change the port, we can use command line arguments. If you don't know how to package and run the Spring Boot jar file on command line, you can find the link below this video on how to do it. We already generated the jar file for this small application, so we can just go get the jar file. First, let's stop this one and delete, go back to the 8080 and clean this. Okay, and see, here's the Toolkit, and in this Toolkit folder we see the jar file. So we need to go to command line and go to this path. So we copy the path here, copy the absolute path, go to a command line and change to the Toolkit folder, and then we do a dir. We see the jar file is here. That's the one we need to run on the command line. So to run, before we use java-jar and this put the jar file name here. Then we will run with the default port 8080. To change it to different port number 8081, we need to dash add this dash server.port equal to, this time we'll use it 8082. Okay, we run it. Now we should see the port, the Tomcat should be started on port 8082. That's correct, that's what we expected. So let's prove it. Go to the browser and run it as a local host 8082 this time. Okay, so we go demo, hello, works. So now the port number changed to 8082 by the command line arguments -- server.port equal to 8082.